Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get which Obey Me character filter on Instagram. Really easy to get. So all you have to do is head over to your Instagram and open that up. Head over to the search bar, click on search, and then you want to search for an account called _XYNZEL. And then you just click on the first account right there. Head over to the filters tab. And then you'll see the filter right here. So you can just click on it. And like all other filters, you could either try it here or save it to your camera roll and use it again later. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.